If I could give you a look into my heart, you would see the flames running wild, burning everything in sight. Ever since you left me, this fire has brightened every night, and I can't sleep. Insomnia dragged me out into the light to see exactly who you are and what you've done. And I promise you, I'm going to break you down and take every piece with me into the dark. You can repent for what you've done, but I don't know if you're capable of that. But if you were, you would understand how far I might go. These scars in my heart are nothing more than reminders of what could have been. And the only feeling that resides in this broken soul of mine is the feeling that you cost us everything. Every story I had for us, I ripped out of my life's pages and threw away. But I read the ones you threw out as well. I'm going to pull you into hell and burn that evil head of yours. Make you feel comfortable in the pain that you put me in. I'll make your pain be the only reality in which you're living and be in it by yourself. I don't want you in mine anymore. My doors will never open for you again. You can throw your soul against every chance you see, but you still won't get me. Go ahead and whisper your regrets till you're empty, because I have been there. You put me there. And when I told you where I was, you didn't care. This is karma in its purest form coming back to you in full force. I decided to give all the consequences back to its source. You never made me, but I let you break me. A lesson learned through tears and coming close to insanity, filled in the blanks created by the time spent with you, with acceptance, understanding, and being okay without you. I filed away your name from every surface in my life. We could have had it all. Tears are gonna fall. You had my heart inside of your hand and you played it to the beat. You're gonna wish you never met me. Tears are gonna fall, rolling in the deep pheno.